Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to monetize your TikTok account. So the first thing you have to do is open up your app library, search for TikTok, and open up a TikTok. And once TikTok is open, you need to go to the bottom right corner and tap on the option that says profile. Once on profile, what we'll do is go to the top right corner and tap on the three lines button. And here a list of options will appear. We'll then go to settings and privacy. Then we'll select the option that says account. And we will select the option that says switch to business account. So once the page will appear, you'll tap on next, next again, next again, next. And you'll choose a category you want. I'm going to choose gaming and tap on next. And you're finished. So this will give you a better analytics and more information about your views. Next, what we'll do is go back to the top bar. And what we'll do next is tap on TikTok Studio. And once in TikTok Studio, you'll scroll down and you'll see a section that says monetization. Select monetization. And this is the page where you will monetize your TikTok account. So for instance, you can see here there's subscription and you can monetize your account by tapping on it. But right now I am not eligible because I don't have at least 10,000 followers. But if you're eligible, you can monetize here. But even though I'm not eligible at the moment, I can be notified when I will be eligible. So you can tap on get notified when eligible. And you can select the programs you want. I'm going to select all programs. And TikTok will notify me when I'm eligible for monetization. So that is about it. That is how you monetize on TikTok. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.